Alright, your old friend TV here. I'm back with a quick update, mostly in regards to the big boy curls slash freeform locks. I know you can kind of see them. It had been about 6 months since I had been to the barber, and when I finally did go, I only got the sides cut, which are kind of growing back. It was a lot lower. When the barber saw the curls, he said, "Those are big boy curls. I don't feel right cutting those." And I didn't plan on getting them cut anyway, but it was just even more reason for me to keep them. And I really do like them. My plans are to let them do whatever they do. I do play in my hair just out of habit because I haven't had unlocked hair in this abundance in so long. I do have this piece on the side, which really it got locked into some of my locks when I left my hair in twist for a while at one point. It's still there though. I lost some of it. It got caught up. But this is the back, which used to be like a back high fade taper. I don't know exactly what to call it, but it grew out. And I'd say it's about 6 inches. I'm pretty close to it. So about an inch a month of growth. Hopefully you can see the back. Yeah, the back. Let's see. Here's how the big boy curls are looking. The back view. They kind of shake too. I don't know how it looked, but hopefully it was okay. I'll leave some links in the description for you guys if you're interested. They'll be down below. You know what to do. And I'm gonna try to stay more consistent. I think my next video is gonna be like, I'm almost 10 years in, so maybe the top 5 or 10 mistakes I've made with my locks. We'll see. I don't know. I just need to be more consistent. I think I'm like 10 years deep on YouTube, but I really haven't stayed consistent. But shout out to you guys who have been reaching out to me on Instagram or Twitter. I really appreciate the contact, and I'm glad I'm able to help some people some of the time. Couple last things. 1, don't forget to subscribe, and 2, feel free to check out those links in the description.